Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram, my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. Alright, so Forex fam, Merry Christmas to all of y'all. I hope y'all had a great day. And it's the start of the holidays. I hope y'all are spending time with the family and just having a good one. Merry Christmas, you guys. We've had a great Christmas. We've been off. We've been eating, drinking, and being merry. But we've been having a really good time. But I just wanted to put it out there for our Forex fam. Okay, so Merry Christmas to y'all and Happy Holidays to y'all. All right, guys. So we do have some news that's going to be out in the next 8 minutes. Okay, next 7 minutes. And to be honest, I'm not expecting any sort of moves at all, just because of the time of the year we're in. We're gonna have two more trading sessions, including this one for the rest of the year. All right, it's crazy. It sounds that way, but it's the truth. All right, we're gonna have this session today, and we're gonna have another session on Thursday, and that's it. We're done for the year. We don't have a session tomorrow and on Friday. All right, so I personally this would have been my time off. I wouldn't be trading these markets. Y'all shouldn't be either. But the truth is, we're here to sort of teach you guys everything that we possibly can, and also the traction is going to be lesser, I'm sure. Just based off of how many people are going to be coming on the streams because we're so close to the holidays and all of that good stuff. I'm going to quickly share my screen with y'all. Gold is making a little bit of, it may begin to make a move. This is what I'm looking at on gold, you guys. Okay, my bigger picture is going to be on the break of this big demand, but on news in the next 6 minutes, 5 minutes, we could get this move to the downside. All right, so that's what I'm looking at on gold. Let's throw on an alert here. Okay, and the buys are only going to come in if we break that supply. We'll see. And this is what I'm looking at on Nasty. All right, so I believe Nasty should, based off of price action, we should begin to buy, and the buys are going to be above the supply there. But again, it's this time of the year, you guys. There's not too much respecting of zones that happens, if I may, at this time. Okay, but we're almost done with December. We're almost done with the choppiest trading month of the year, and we're getting into the new year. All right, so things should look good for us from Jan. But for now, let's just try to learn. If you guys have no intentions of taking any trades, y'all don't need to. Okay, y'all don't need to take trades. Just stick around and see. You know, look at this as a workshop, whatever you want to call it. But stick around and let's see what they want to do. All right. So I'm setting an alert here in case we want to start to buy this market, and I'm gonna set an alert down here in case they want to break down. Okay. Let's take a quick look at the EMAs. Looks good. All right. This looks good. Gold. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna quickly go through the chat. We have about 5 minutes. Sup guys, it's been a while. Yes sir, it has. Good morning guys. Good morning. Hey you guys, Smoking 11 NFT, my man. Good morning. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays to you too, B2. Merry Christmas, bro. You guys, hope everyone had a great Christmas. Yes sir. Good morning fam. Hey guys. Okay. If we break past here, I'd be looking at getting in on some sort of feelers. I'm not in on anything right now, you guys. This does look good to me, but y'all see how choppy this is right now. We could get this move right off the bat, but there's also a chance we may go and test our supply before we come down. So I'm honestly not in on anything as of right now. Okay, so if we want to get this push down, we could be looking at about. That's a good 30 pip move. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Now, alright. Now I'm in on a feeler. Okay, I'm only testing it out. Too late. I should have done it maybe slightly earlier, but I'm only testing it out. Okay, I'm in. Alright, if y'all aren't comfortable, you guys wait for price to close. Wait for the retest confirmation. You guys know the drill. Don't be getting in on anything prematurely. Watch your spreads. Watch your spreads, you guys, because your spreads could be going crazy for news. So just watch out for that. Okay, so I'm just in on a very tiny feeler. I got in at about this area right here. Okay, so very tiny feeler. Nothing too much, just $1. I'm testing it out. I want to see if we're going to close and break our low on the open of the new candle. Okay, Sandy, my man, good morning. Tofu food, good morning.
Hey, good morning, Graham and everyone else.
Good morning, buddy. Merry Christmas.
Happy holidays to you, my man.
Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Compliments of the season to all of you guys. I'm really looking forward to the holidays and waiting for New Year's and these 10, 15 days are always a very, very merry season for us and the family. So looking forward to it. All right. So Dawood, we have news in the next 2 minutes. Okay, let's see what they want to give us. I'm in on a little bit of a feeler here. I have a feeling they could go either way, to be honest, you guys. They could go either way. We have 1 minute to news. Let's see what they want to do. All right, let's see what they want to do. If anyone's in on the feeler sells with me, stop loss is going to be at the daily resistance up there. Okay, all right.
Sounds good.
This is our TP in case we want to start to go bullish on the break of our supply. Okay. There's no straight up bias today, you guys. It's that time of the year, and you'll need to realize it, okay? All right, and also listen, if you guys are new to my stream, don't be trading the first 5, 10, 15 minutes of news. Let price do its thing. Let them sort of let price pick a trend, and that's when y'all can get in on any sort of buys and sells, okay?
If you get a chance, check out the dirty. There's a huge gap.
Oh yeah? Is that a recent gap? Is it a gap that needs to be filled, or is it a gap that's been filled? Because Nasty had this gap as well, which has been filled.
Oh
Um,
yeah. Basically same. Yeah, ditto
Similar?
split.
Okay. All right, they filled it as well. So then they are
Oh well,
correlated.
actually,
Mm-hmm.
it hasn't been filled on the dirty.
Okay. So then we could expect that gap fill as well. Let's watch though. We did get more or less a fill over here. We just have this one zone to go. So if I wanted to, I could actually just put this demand zone all the way till here to be on the safer side, and this will be the sells down here, okay? Because we did fill this gap with one zone to go. All right, so this is news, you guys. Let's have a good one, and let's see what they want to give us, okay? Please don't over leverage your accounts. Just take it easy. Let's see what they do. All right, so that's the new candle. Guys, remember, this may just be a dud, okay? It's likely, and please remember the time of the year that we're in, okay? Goldie's not doing anything. Okay, the buy's up there for Nasty, you guys. Remember that. Gold is trying. We're trying. The break of that one-on-ones looks good. Okay, but let there be momentum. Let there be momentum. Okay. Retesting our now turned supply. They could go up all the way till here. Half this previous candle, this previous wick, these wicks, they could go up all the way till there, okay? So let's see. Y'all shouldn't be getting in on anything that's not a feeler, not till you break this area, okay? I'm gonna take a quick look at Nasdaq. Not too much movement on Nasdaq. Okay, so not too much volume on news. That's what I expected. That's how I started this call. Um, let's see. All right, maybe they just want to give us TP, and then we'll call it a session. We don't even need to wait around for too much. Okay, this is not good volume. Please be trading small. All right, if even if we break now, trade small because they are going pretty crazy right now. They're being lazy. Okay. No volume. This is what I mean. All right. No volume. Okay, let's see. I'm watching the break of the current low. If it's gonna happen, I'm looking to get in. Okay, nothing so far. Nasdaq is trying to fall. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick look at the news, you guys. Give me a second. Hmm. Okay, this is what I mean by shitty volume, alright? Um, just indecision. Maybe they want to give us something over here. Let's take a quick look at the dirty. Similar story on the dirty. That's TP.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This is still this has to be filled. Alright, but let's see. Let's see if they want to break. There's some coming into some clear demand in this area. Okay, but this is always a risky sort of a place to trade. Always, okay? You want to wait for price to either fill it or do it, but again, if you guys are trading small, it's all fine. That could actually be TP, that whole gap fill. Okay, let's see if they want to break past that. You need to realize that when they come here, there's going to be some sort of support that they're going to catch from this area, okay? So let's see. Okay, look at that. Sells are down there, alright? In case they want to give it to us, we're going to take the shots right there. Wait for the zone. Don't go too crazy, you guys. Wait for the zone break, okay? I don't want y'all to y'all can get in on feelers here. So my one-on-ones, the ones that understand this, y'all can get in on these feelers, no problem. Okay? But you want price to break this zone to get in on anything that's not a feeler. Gold's being dirty. It's being wicky. I still have my feeler. This is not good momentum for me. I'm gonna wait for a clear price break before getting in, so let's maybe put an alert at this area. Okay, in case they want to break that, I'll look to maybe we'll get notified before we break the current low, so then we could try and be trigger finger and get in. Okay, they're gonna test the EMA. That's what I thought. Alright, so they're probably gonna go test that area and push up. Remember what I told it on the first candle, okay? They can retest half this previous candle, which is where they are right now. Let's see if they want to hold or if they want to push through. Okay. Looks good. Alright, the sells still look good to me on gold. But it's a matter of when. You know, when do they want to do this? But the sells definitely still look good. Okay. Let's see how they want to react around our demand here, you guys. Look at that's pretty important, okay? I don't have to stress to tell you all how important it is for us to break this in order to start selling successfully, okay? Technically, you could mark this up as a consolidation box, but it's happening. It's happening, okay? Alright, so I'm looking at gold as of right now, though. Let's see. The ones that are trading NASDAQ, look at nasty, okay? I'm having an issue with my split screen. Let me just give it a shot. Let's see if it works. Nope. I don't know, it won't do it for me. It's fine. We'll just flip-flop between the two charts today. Coming into some 5-minute resistance right there. Okay, anyone in any sort of positions at all? Feelers? Anyone testing out the waters today, or are we all just sitting and watching? Gold feeler? Good, good.
Yeah, I just got a gold field.
Yep, same thing, same thing. In all honesty, I'm looking to take no trades. Look at this, you guys. These are horrible candles, and this is a horrible market to be trading. All right, so even I'm just looking at, I just have one feeler on gold. My entry is somewhere in this area. Okay, so I'm gonna have my stop up here. You know, y'all can almost just look at these there you go, nasty, oopsie. Okay, all right. Is anyone entering in on a feeler on Nasdaq? I think I may. Okay, I'm getting in on a feeler. I'm just gonna test it out. Again, this is key. Y'all need to realize, look at this consolidation. If it makes it any easier for y'all, I could do that. Okay, but that's key. Your stop loss for the feelers on, for the Nasdaq feeler could be up at the 1 hour resistance. Okay, that would be break of structure in case we decide to push back up. Right, so 1 hour resistance. This is where you could have your stop loss. This is where I'm just putting on a hard stop today, you guys. I don't want these markets to fuck around with me, so they're trying. They're trying. 50 seconds, okay? Let's see if they want to close in our box. Let's see. Alright, because technically this is our box. This would just be the feeler entry, okay? I'm just going to move this back down here because I don't want anyone new coming on the stream getting in on big positions over here, alright? So, feeler, and this would be the real break, okay? Good morning, Joel. Okay, gold's being stubborn. Let's see. Let's see. Last 9 seconds. Are they going to close it within our demand, or are they going to push it down? Close it right at our demand. Okay, boom.
The dirty's starting to move too.
There you go. Alright, so is nasty. Let's see. Let's see. I'm not comfortable getting in on a bigger position, not till we break here, you guys. I maybe trigger finger for this, but I'm ready for it to hit here, okay? But I'm not too comfy getting in on any sort of bigger positions. I don't like the way these markets are moving right now. Look at this. Gold is doing nothing. Okay. Remember this as well. We are coming into some divergence on the RSI. So keep that in mind. If we do get this move, pull out 5 or 10 pips, guys. Look at the traffic that we're going to be facing here, okay? If we do get this move, pull out 5 or 10 pips. Don't expect nothing more from it. Okay, gold's doing nothing. Cash got in on the nasty sells, and she's up by about 4,000 right now. 5,000. That's good. I didn't take the sells. She got in on the nasty sells. She'll share it with you guys. Okay. All right. I'm watching. This is key. This is key. Well, gold's not doing anything, is it? Nope. Okay, let's see if they want to give it to us. TP1. There. You guys see why I put this box down here though now, right? I could have had this box up there, but this is the gap. All right? So we need to break this gap if we want to push down further. Okay? All right? We're doing it. We're trying. If you're not comfortable, wait for this candle to close, okay? Because this volume doesn't seem very good. I didn't hit sell, but it looks like I'm doing it now, okay? All right, I'm running about 260 bucks, not too much. I'm gonna keep a really close eye on this. I'm not gonna let it go in any loss because it is a Lambo, okay? I'm up by 500. All right, I've set a break-even stop loss on this trade because I'm not willing to risk it. If it hits TP, it'll hit TP. If not, I'm running by about 7 pips right now. 8 pips, 800, 840, 900. There you go. Boom. Who caught that with me? Who caught that? Beautiful. Cash is up by 7 grand. I'm up by 1,000. 1,200. Still running. We've hit TP1, you guys. Liquidate your positions, okay? We've hit TP1. You all know what that means. Liquidate it. Have a small part of your position running on with a break-even stop loss, okay? But beautiful. You guys caught that? 18 pips. Awesome. Good stuff, guys. Good trade. Good trade. Looks good. I'm gonna send out. Babe, can you send out your trade to them? Both me and Cash will send out a play to you, guys, so that you'll see what we did. Cash got in way before me with her Lambo. I was waiting for this key break. That's how we do it at Forex, you guys. You know, we scout these markets, all right, and we're looking for 10 pips with my strategy, with our Forex strategy. We're looking for 10 pips on our Lambos, okay? We risk our Lambos for as little time as we possibly can, and we risk our feelers for as much time as we possibly can, okay? That's how we trade, and that's why we're here, okay? So the faster you guys pick that up, the better it's going to be for you all. All right, so I'm sending out my trade. Okay, I didn't catch too much. I got 1,000 and I'm happy. I'm happy, all right? I can't be complaining. My lovely wife is making the dough here, and I'm good with that. Okay, so that's what I caught on Nasty. Did you send out your... Okay, she's still in on the trade. How much are you up by? 7 grand. That's beautiful. Okay, once she's done with it, have you liquidated your position? I think you should start to liquidate your position. I do think it'll probably come down to hit this, but liquidate it by a little bit. All of you guys, listen, who's up in profits, take something out, okay? Take some of it out. You'll see this? That's our daily selling target. That's if we decide to push, okay? So take profits and leave a runner that's running in these markets with it doesn't matter with how small of a position, because say your runner for $1 goes ahead and hits profit, that's 170 bucks for you that you got without doing anything, okay? So take your position out, leave a break-even stop loss, be in a risk-free trade. Gold is now starting to go bullish. I was expecting this. I'm still holding on to my sells, you guys. I'm holding on to my sell position. I'm gonna hold on to it all the way here. I'm in with $1. So if that reverses on me, I'm looking at about 40-50 bucks, which I'm fine with. I'm gonna hold it because check this out, right? My one-on-ones are probably seeing this right now already, but maybe. Trying to make something of that sort, okay? So I'm gonna give it room to breathe till up there, but if we decide to break, then of course we decide to break, and we have that position up top there, okay? So stop loss for my sell feeler at the daily resistance, okay? And I have completely liquidated my position from Nasdaq. How does she hold her Lambo so long? Insane. Because she got in. Where did you get in? Where did you get in? She got in. She got in before we broke this zone, so she was in on her Lambo from here, right? So she had confidence to hold on to it because that. Wow. Okay, she's up by 8,600 right now. Babe, screenshot that. Send it to them. Yo, Millzone, she's also doing the video for you, man.
Nice work. It's gonna pay off.
Yes, sir, it is.
Everyone's gonna continue.
Awesome. Okay. I have a feeling you're gonna hit 10K.
Oh yeah.
I have a feeling you're gonna hit 10K. Cash is on fire. Yes, she is. Yes, she is. All right. Okay. Gold is gold. Gold is being gold. Did the dirty have that move too? Yes, it did. See, we broke past, and we're now on our way to fill that gap. Okay. Now we're coming in. If anyone's trading dirty, we're coming into some supply right there. Okay. This is all gonna act as supply right now. Let's see if they want to close below the supply, and then if they do, maybe we're looking to get this, to get to this gap fill over here. Okay. But guys, look at how oversold we are. Right? Look at how oversold we are. It's high time that we start to maybe go back up again. All right. So let's see. I'm completely out of this position. My wife is using a trailing stop. Did you get out of the position? Yeah, I think she's out of the position. Okay, so she's using a trailing stop loss with her runners, and it looks good. Looks good. Okay. I still have my eyes on this. If I get this, I'm done. I'm done for the day. If I get that, I'm not waiting for market open. Let's see. Beautiful. Look at that.
Incredible.
I know, right? Dawood says incredible. Lovely. Please don't be trading no more. You're good. I mean it. Okay, slow movements. We could expect the slow movement to probably go in to market open. How many of y'all made some money? Be it on Nasty, or well, it's only Nasty that played out so far. So how many of y'all caught the Nasty move? 5, 6. Okay, fewer people trading with us now because of the holidays. I understand that. That's all good, but about 10 people, that's not so bad. Okay. People made money off of that. I like it. Okay. Listen, guys. All we need is a setup like this, right? We need one setup. We make, as long as you understand our 4x strategy, you'll know that irrespective of whether it's a 10 pip move or a 100 pip move, you're still gonna make money. That's why we've built this strategy the way we have, right? So you guys are going to pick it up over time. A lot of y'all are already picking it up, because if you tell someone that you banked $1,000, or in my wife's case $10,000 off of this chart movement, they're going to be like, how? Are you crazy? But that's exactly what we do here at Forex, okay? And we do this for you guys consistently again and again and again and again. All right, so please, the year is ending. We're coming to a good time. Everyone's in a merry mood. If y'all could please go on to Twitter and post about these sessions that we have. Tag CramFX, CashFX, and Project Whitelist. All right. Tag these three, and it'll just sort of help us to get more eyes to what we're doing over here. And as of right now, we're starting. Everyone that meets me, that sends me messages, and I talk on DMs with them, they all say that you guys are so underrated, and you'll really need to get the exposure that y'all deserve. And we'll only get that exposure with your help, okay? Because we're gonna do everything that we do for y'all. We're doing this as a free service. We're just asking for a little bit of a couple of posts from your side, and that'll really help what we're doing over here. Okay, so go on to Twitter and tag CramFX, tag CashFX, and tag Project Whitelist. Okay, and just give an honest review about these free live sessions that we do here in PWL. Looking forward to the one-on-one tomorrow. Cheers, man. Cheers.
Hey, might want to take the time and just see if anyone needs help getting set up.
Mm-hmm. Is anyone new on here that has just joined? And if y'all have any questions about that, if y'all want me to sort of tell y'all, even though we have everything on Forex Academy, but since we have some time, I'd be more than happy to help you guys with that. So, do we have any sort of questions at all with getting set up? Or I do see quite a few names and quite a few new faces on this stream today. So, firstly, welcome you guys. And do we have any questions so far? Anything at all? Hi guys, first time. Welcome, Alexis. Welcome. I'm certain it isn't going to be your last time on our stream. Okay, this is still freaking dancing around. Sure, I love it. Cheers. Okay, are you set up, Alexis, or have you gone through Forex Academy? My first session today, and you smashed the market. I'll be here daily, bro. Cheers, man. Cheers. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Okay, cool. So then please get set up. Again, this week's going to be a relatively slow week. We're just going to have one more session after this one, and then we're going to push into the holidays. So our next session is going to be day after, which is going to be Thursday. But otherwise, and back from the next week with the new year, we do this Monday to Friday. We do this the Monday to Friday every single day, and in the new year we're also going to be doing the London Market Open, so we're going to have 2 sessions that are going to be going on Monday to Friday every single trading day. First session for me as well. Looking forward to seeing your trading style. Cheers no specs. Hey, why are there 2 lines on your RSI? Oh, they're just it's the different averages on the RSI. It's just I don't even look at them. All I'm looking at is the purple line. You could just go on there and get rid of that, and you'll be fine. Go on to style, select it from here, and you'll be fine. 2023 looks fun. You guys have no idea the kind of stuff that we have planned for y'all for 2023. So far, it's been about 2.5, 3 months since we've been doing this now. Yeah, close to 3 months since we've been doing this. That's 1 quarter, you guys. All right. So far, we've been on the experimental grounds. We've been trying things. We've been just figuring out what works and what doesn't work for what we're building here, and we've come up with a lot. Okay, and I promise you, 2023 is going to be the Forex year. Okay, it's NFTs are going nowhere. Of course, they're always going to be here. The Forex is a more traditional means of trading, and it's just going to stick around for as long as we think it is. And you guys have no idea the things we have planned for y'all. Okay, so look forward to it. I'm not going to spoil anything for y'all now, but a couple of days. All right, we got through a choppy December. We're going to get into a fun-filled Jan, and I promise you, Jan's going to be a great trading month, you guys. The open up the fiscal year is always good. Alright, now ask yourselves a question. Do y'all want to be trading this chop and this dirt on gold? Do y'all see these wicks? Do y'all want to be part of these orders that are being filled back and forth? Will there be a session tomorrow? No, sadly, there won't be a session tomorrow. Just because there's not too much that's happening this week in the markets, because it's the last trading week of the fiscal year. So I'm just coming for the red folders. I mean, this was a red folder today, okay, and you all saw the move we got. It was nothing, right? This was a red folder move today. But yeah, there's not too much happening. But come next Tuesday, we're going to be back every single trading day. 2023, we're coming for you. Yes, sir. Forex trading, yes. Early anniversary celebration tomorrow. No, man. Sorry about that, you guys. No early anniversary celebration. In fact, we're going to be live on the anniversary because it's the last red folder of the year, and we don't want to miss that. Cram's birthday incoming. Yes. In a couple of days. Why was trading an why was trading an hour early always different? It's on news. It's on news, bro. So when there's news and if it's coming out an hour prior, then we come on an hour prior, and then usually we have the market open. That's why we trade. If news coincides with the market open, it's usually a pretty darn good day, because we'll get some good moves. But yeah, that's what makes the difference, bro. Yeah, so tomorrow you celebrate when you have a break. Well, I only have a break from the live session. I'm still doing the one-on-one, so so I don't think there's too much. There's still quite a bit of work to get done this week. Guys, I'm gonna be opening up the one-on-ones in 2023. Okay, so I'm not taking any more people right now. I do have some people that have messaged me, and I'm sorry if I haven't replied to you all as of now, but I will. And when we're open again in 2023, I'll let you guys know, and we'll then get you guys booked up. Okay. Where's the red folder? I'm not seeing any on Forex Factory because it just got done. Scroll up. You'll see it. You'll see it already passed. Okay, maybe gold is trying to do its thing now. Yeah, gold is really trying. Gold is really trying. Okay, wait for that. Wait for that. Okay, you guys, wait for that. We could get maybe a quick in and out. I'm not sure if I want to get in or not because they're just being super choppy right now. But yeah, the sells do look good. No doubt about that. Let's see. Let's see. We do have some medium impact news that's also coming out now, so maybe that's the catalyst we need to trigger this trade. Let's see. Okay, new hourly candle opening up as well. In the next 30 seconds. New hourly opening up in the next 30 seconds, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove this. Alright, and let's throw on a new alert on the break of this. New low, okay? My feeler is still active. My feeler is running about 14 pips on gold. 14 pips on this. Let's see, 5 seconds, okay? Going up to retest. Alexis, Forex Factory. Thank you, Zero. Okay, there you go. Boom. Are we gonna get it? Let's see. Watch my cursor, you guys. Watch my cursor. Let's break that. Let's do it with momentum, okay? Okay, let's have a safer entry. Right there. Watch the dotted line. Are you in gold? Okay. Cash hasn't taken gold. Alright, so we didn't break our dotted line. My feelers are still on. Okay. They don't want to give it to us today, you guys. They're being really, really stubborn.
Anyone else's MetaTrader lagging?
Mine's fine. Is anyone's MetaTrader laggy? You guys? Is yours fine, babe? Cash's is fine as well. It's just low volume. That's probably true, man. that's probably it. it's just volume and yeah, that's just volume. Yeah, look at this, right? I mean, we're going from 50 to 30 to once. It's horrible. This isn't good volume. Okay, so we never really broke our area. Okay, and they don't want to give it to us. It's fine. We shouldn't be greedy. We got a move from Nasdaq anyway. We shouldn't be greedy. Okay, I'm still gonna hold on to this feeler. I'm now gonna have my stop loss maybe at the hourly resistance. I'm not gonna hold it all the way up to our daily. I'll have my stop somewhere in this area. Okay, for the feeler. And they're respecting supply. Okay, buys look good there. All right, in case they want to do that, the buys look good. Okay, we can maybe go zone to zone, break this zone, try to push up there, break this, try to push up to the supply. Yep, exactly, all the way. It's not very often with that happens with forex trading, right? But no, it's all good. It's all good. We're still attempting, you guys. We're still attempting. It's not like they're not attempting. I'm watching gold on my MetaTrader, okay? Same. Same. I'm waiting for the exact same thing. Like, just get down with gold and let's call it a day. Alright, so the dirty broke, respected, and the dirty looks like it wants to make that fill. Alright, you guys, the dirty looks like it wants to make that fill, but look at this solid support that we're coming into, just based off of these previous wicks, based off of this structure, based off of this structure, based off of this structure. Okay, so we're coming into some serious support here. They break down, TP, they break down, they'll bleed. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at oil. Did oil have a move? Nope, it did not. Okay. Ugh, gold's being shitty, you guys. Like, literally, I have my eyes fixed on my phone because I am running on gold now. Alright, I was quick enough to speak, to hit sell while speaking. I'm running about 500 bucks, 1,000 bucks. I have two trades that are simultaneously open. Okay, and I hit sell twice instead of once by mistake. That's an issue. I'm quickly going to change it to break even, you guys. I'm not risking this. Give me a second. Damn it, that was a mistake. That was a amateur mistake from my side. Okay, I'm with a break-even stop. So if it wants to go, I got stopped out. I was running by 1,000 bucks, but I had a break-even stop loss and I got stopped out, and I'm not complaining. I would have closed in profit as well. Congratulations, I would have closed in profit, but I had two orders that I opened up by mistake. That was my bad. Okay, so I missed this one. I'm not gonna complain. You guys caught gold? Good. I was running by 500 into 2 because instead of hitting sell once, I hit it twice. I think my MetaTrader had a little bit of a lag, and then I realized I opened up 2 Lambos, and that's not something that I do. So my priority at that moment was not to pull out profits, but it was to secure my capital, right? Secure my risk. So look at that. Okay, I would have probably been running again. I'm gonna look for this break if it wants to come. I don't want to FOMO into this, but if this break comes, it looks good, okay? Listen, you guys that made money on this, don't be greedy. I mean it. Don't be taking any more trades. Y'all know how gold is, and y'all need to realize that this was also going to act as TP1 for the feelers on gold, okay? So we've already hit that. Don't be greedy. It's fine. Okay. And also to answer your question, Dawood, I think it is lagging a little, which is why I'm running 600 bucks, you guys, which is why I I literally I hit sell twice on my MetaTrader, bro. So I'm pretty sure it is being a little laggy right now. At least Hanko Trade is.
Yeah.
Because that doesn't happen. Okay, I'm running by 600. I'm pulling this out. It doesn't. Okay, I'm running. It is trying. I have this on a break-even stop loss again. Okay, I'm not risking nothing today, you guys. All right, so I have break-even stops. All right, I'm up by about 660. Okay, I'm up by about 4.5 pips right now. So I'm running with a break-even stop loss. Okay, so if it reverses back on me by 4 or 5 pips, I'll be out of the trade again. That's a beauty. I'm not in trades anymore. Perfect, man. Be happy. All right, that's a great day. Okay, I'm running by 630. It's ranging between 5 and 600 for me. My profits. Done with gold. Awesome, but it's doing it. All right, that's what we thought. When we started the session, we said gold would sell, and we said that this is the big move. This is the big move. I'm still looking at this as the big move, but it's till we get there, right? But as technical traders, as scalpers, we capitalize on even this movement that happens down here, zone to zone. Okay, so look at gold. All right, I'm running by 860 on gold, 900, 940. Beautiful. I'm taking out profits. You guys. $900. Buy a trade that I missed, by the way. All right, $900 on a trade that I missed. I'm not complaining. And look at what they do now. Ooh, fucking hell. Look at that. That's dirty, you guys. That's dirty. All right, I pulled out 900. You guys made your profits. You all should walk away from the markets as well. Okay, this isn't good. Let them do what they want to do. All right, I'm gonna send out my play to you guys again. Okay, I'm trading conservatively now, you guys. We're at that time of the year, like you all know. I don't want to be going too crazy. Okay. Hey, Cram, do you recommend market executions or buy sell? Yep, just as Cash Effect said, market executions. Okay, so who caught Goldie? They're still bleeding. Who caught gold? I liquidated my position, but this is going down to hit TP. Look at that. Look at that. I'm not even complaining that I pulled out too early, all right? Because you want to pull out early. All right, so as predicted. Yes, sir. That's the thing. We don't predict these markets. We analyze this shit and it just happens. All right, it's where the experience comes in. So I love that. Okay, next level is down there in case we want to push, and they are pushing. Okay, I'm not going to complain even though I'm not holding on to this position anymore, but I made what I had to make. Okay, and that was what I did on gold. And guys, y'all need to realize that I made this move after I had that little blunder, and these things are gonna happen, okay? Me being as experienced as I am, even if I have these blunders happen every once in a while, y'all can expect these sort of blunders to happen on your side as well, okay? But I acted promptly. I didn't pull out profits. The first thing when I realized that I by mistake threw into Lambos, my priority at that moment was I wanted to go and change my stop loss to break even because I needed to protect my capital, okay? I needed to protect my risk right there, all right? So that's what I did, and even if that means that I got stopped out at break even, that's fine, all right? So as you guys can see, I posted it up on the chat, 860, that's what I caught from gold, and I had a feeler for about 14 pips, okay? So that's 14 pips on my feeler and about 9 pips on my Lambo, and this whole move, for the ones that caught it, ranged about 22 pips. That's a 22 pip move, okay? If you guys caught that. Okay, so now we had 2 successful trades. I want to know how many of you guys made profits. I want to see updated because 15 of y'all apparently had already made profits. React to my W, you guys. React to my W. I want to see how many of y'all have made some money off of my analysis today. It definitely has to be more than 15, right? Because we had 15 people that made money earlier. And was it 15? Was it 12? What was it? I think it was like 12. Okay. All right. So we have one more person that's made some money. All right. 13 people. That's not so bad. With a lower attendance due to the holidays, but it's still good. Okay. Awesome. Oh, look at gold. You guys, look at freaking gold. I'm not gonna complain. I got what I had to, but look at that bleed, you guys. I didn't even leave a runner. I didn't want to be greedy. Look at that. I told y'all, we break, we're bleeding. Beautiful. We're going straight to hit TP. Look at gold. Whew. Gold was the move. Gold was the move. Are you guys watching gold? Like, I mean, I'm not getting no reactions from y'all.
Running a nice 400 on gold right now.
Beautiful. Congratulations, alright? Take out whatever you're getting, leave a runner at break even, okay? I love it. At first, gold was shy. Yep. Benedict, gold just played around a lot. Damn, already out. Me too, Gerald, me too. I got out. Hey, Cram, I just joined your stream today. Found it very informative. Do you have any private channel where you do calls or similar streaming? Nope. This is the only channel I'm on. And I do these free live streams on here. And then I do have a mentorship program where I do one-on-ones with personal classes for people to learn our Forex strategy and for people to just learn about these markets. But these are the only sessions that I do live. Gold took it out way it's fine. It's fine. I took it out early as well, okay? And as long as you made profits, it's good. As long as you made profits, it's good. Okay? Not trading anything but US 30 for the next 6 months, but gold was nice. I love the fact that you said that, so I'm proud of you, my brother. That's good. That's good. That's the sort of discipline that you need to come in. Cool, I'm interested in the mentorship program. How can I subscribe? Send you a friend request. Sure, I'll message you post this and we'll talk. I'm not currently taking intakes because we're full and I'm booked by almost a month at this time. But we'll be opening up the mentorship spots again, and I'll keep you updated. Okay. Okay. Nasty. Didn't do much. All right. So guys, it's not always that this happens, but gold was the move. Look at all of that chop led to this crazy move down here, you guys. Okay, so pretty insane, pretty intense. I love it. I just got 15 pips off this. Okay. 45, 46 pip move. Okay, so pretty crazy. But I made what I had to make. And y'all know me, I'm not greedy when it comes to these markets. Next stop, 1795. Yeah, that's possible, man. That's possible. If we want to sell, that's where I have the bearish target. All right, we're looking at 1785. Okay, but that's if they want to give that move. I feel like we could get down here, no problem. If the momentum still pushes, the RSI looks good as well. We're bleeding on the RSI, having a little bit of a healthy retracement at the 18, but we have room to come back down to the 0. Okay, so these areas have to hold true. If they do, then we look good. If not, they're just gonna start to buy the market. Okay, you guys. So we've had quite a few people that have made money. In all honesty, I have hit my daily targets. I've reduced my daily targets for now. So I've hit mine. My wife has surpassed hers. About 15 of y'all have made money off of my session and my analysis. So I don't really think we need to wait for market open. All right. If any of you guys are going to be trading market open in the next 12, 13 minutes, y'all have these levels. Okay. I'm not gonna send you a link of my chart, but y'all could just mark up these levels on your own chart, and this is what we're looking at, okay? If you're not comfortable with this buy, scrap that, look at this bigger buy up here, okay? But my one-on-ones, you guys, if y'all feel comfortable taking that, which y'all should, you can go ahead and start buying the market here on Nasty. Alright, so I'm going to give y'all a second. Y'all can screenshot my chart or do anything of that sort, but go ahead and do it. Okay, and on gold, the sells would still be on the break of that, the buys on the break of the supply. You can start looking for the buys up here and buy into the supply. Okay, so that's at the 1807 point, between 1807 point 100 and 150. Okay, I can go ahead and screenshot my chart if you like for the ones that are going to be trading market open. Great. All right, so do we have any questions, or can we call it a session, you guys? Because this was awesome. Slow day, but we still managed to bank our pips here at Forex, and you guys know that, okay? So, guys, 15 people liked it. I would really, really appreciate y'all if y'all could just be nice to us, because we're doing this out of the goodness of our hearts for y'all for free, right? So, you guys, y'all could just go on to Twitter and post just a review, or just post your profits on Twitter and tag CramFX, CashFX, and PWL. Just let us know. Help us get some more eyes to what we're doing over here at PWL and at Forex trading, okay? So please go ahead and do that. And also my regulars, I know you guys, my one-on-ones, please go on to not just Twitter but also Success Stories and just put on your profits, okay? We'd really appreciate that. And do we have any questions, or are we good, you guys? This was an awesome session, really was. It was a lot more fun than I expected it to be. But this is what we do here, you guys. Thanks, Cram. Thanks, Cash. Session has been great as usual. Appreciate you, Benedict. Okay, guys. So I'm guessing we have no questions. We're not going to be live tomorrow for the market open. We are going to be back on Thursday. And Thursday is going to be the last trading day of this year. All right? So Thursday is, here you go. Bro, you can go ahead and look at NAS. All right? So Thursday is going to be the last trading day for this year for us at Forex trading, and let's try and have a good last session. We'll bank some pips like we always do. We'll make our money, and we're gonna get some Wagyu for New Year's. Okay, so I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. This is Forex trading, you guys, okay? This is what we do here, irrespective of whether these markets want to go up or down. We're always here analyzing these markets and banking pips for y'all, okay? We're not just making money ourselves, we're making y'all some money too, all right? So watch out for NASDAQ. It may happen, it may not happen. I don't care, because I'm not going to be trading it anymore. I've hit my goals. I'm just going to take a little break and hop on to my next one-on-one session, all right? So thank you, guys. I really appreciate y'all. Please stop by day after at Forex, and we'll have another kick-ass stream, the last for the year, all right? Thank you, guys, so much. I'm CramFX. My partner's Cash. We're signing out.